Today we received a Motorola G-Power 2022 that won't power on. The symptoms are as follows. When we connect the charger, it shows that it's charging, but pressing the power button does nothing. Sometimes the phone goes into recovery mode, where only the volume buttons respond. The customer mentioned that they had already taken it to another repair center, where they were told the issue was likely the power button, but it would take a week for the part to arrive. The customer agreed to leave the phone with us as long as we could fix it on the same day. The power button on this phone consists of a flex cable with contact points for volume up, volume down, power, and ground. We set our multimeter to continuity mode, placing one probe on the ground contact and the other on the volume up contact point. When we press the volume up button, we hear a beep, indicating the button is working. We repeat the process for the volume down button, and it also beeps. However, when we test the power button, nothing happens. This indicates that the issue lies with the flex cable itself. This means the issue is with the button and not the motherboard. Since we don't have the part, we'll repair the cable. First, we apply alcohol to loosen the adhesive under the cable, allowing us to separate the cable from the phone's casing without tearing it. Next, we apply alcohol to the button and carefully remove the tape covering it. We avoid damaging the tape since we don't have a replacement. Upon inspecting the button, we see it has water damage and is rusted. The contact points need to be cleaned. Using a blade and a Q-tip with alcohol, we remove the rust from the inside and outside contact points. After cleaning with alcohol and a blade, we reapply the tape that covers the contact points and test for continuity again. The multimeter beeps, indicating that the button is now functioning. Next, we use double-sided adhesive under the flex cable to secure it to the side of the frame. We also add glue under the contact points and then reassemble the phone. After reassembling and pressing the power button, the phone turns on perfectly. Thank you for watching this video.